Breaking news. JPMorgan warns of impending U.S. recession amid escalating trade wars. In a significant development, JPMorgan Chase has become the first major Wall Street bank to forecast a U.S. recession in the wake of aggressive tariff implementations. The bank projects that these hefty tariffs will push the U.S. economy into recession in the second half of 2025. The announcement follows a tumultuous period in global markets. The recent decision to impose sweeping tariffs on imports has led to severe market reactions worldwide. China responded with a 34% levy on all U.S. imports, intensifying fears of a prolonged trade war. The repercussions have been immediate and severe. Stock market declines. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell over 3,000 points, 7.8% this week, entering correction territory. The Nasdaq plunged 10%, officially entering a bear market, while the S&P 500 dropped 9%. Global market impact. European markets also suffered, with London's FTSE 100 experiencing its steepest one-day decline since the COVID-19 pandemic's onset. Commodity prices. Brent crude oil prices dipped below $65 per barrel, and copper fell 6%, reflecting concerns over decreased global demand. Concerns has expressed that the new tariffs could lead to higher inflation and slower economic growth, complicating the central bank's policy decisions. As the situation develops, the economic outlook remains uncertain. The escalating trade tensions and their impact on global markets underscore the need for vigilance and strategic planning in the face of potential economic downturns. My name is Monica, and thank you for tuning into Black Wall Street EDU Breaking News. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more news and trading strategies. I'll see you next time.